Nobody shouts or laughs too loud. Not in my castle on a cloud. There is a lady all in white, sings a lullaby. She's sweet and she's soft to touch. She says, Cosette, I love you very much. I know a place where no one laughs. I know a place where no one cries. Crying at all is not allowed. Not in my castle on a cloud.